5 best free chess apps for Android. So if you want the 5 best free chess app for your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Play Store. After that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for chess at first. And once you search, you can just scroll down, and this is the application. You just need to simply go with install. It's free to install, and it's also the best chess application for your Android. You can learn quickly, and it's also easy to use. The second one in our list is Mate in One. It's also a chess puzzle application. So it's also best and free chess application for your Android. It will have high quality exercises, graphic hints, visual display of progress, detailed contents, test mode to check knowledge. And the third one is Play Magnus, Play Chess. In this you can play the Magnus and also learn chess. The fourth one is Chess Clash. So this is the online and offline. You can play offline and you can also play online. You can play online with your friends, with any other person all over the world. You'll have the quick mode, classic mode. You can enjoy 2 game modes and you can compete around the world. And now the last one, or the fifth one, is Really Bad Chess. It's also best and free chess application for your Android. So these were the 5 best free chess apps for your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.